Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage the SD card on a IMOU Ranger2. To do it, click on the settings button in the top right corner, then click on local storage. Now you can enable or disable store video. When that's enabled, then the device will save the video it records to the card. You can also enable or disable scheduled recording. Now you can change the video quality and change the recording schedule. Now you can just select the day. So let's select a day here, for example Wednesday. Okay, let's change it, like add a period from maybe 4 a.m. to 11 a.m. confirm. Now I'm gonna delete that one and click on save, and now you can see it's changed. So when I click now for Saturday, I can change it as well. So let's add a period right like that. Confirm. I'm gonna delete that one and hit on save, and that's how you change it. And now my schedule looks like this. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.